This T-fal Professional VX3 brushed nonstick fry pan is like a trusty sidekick in your kitchen adventures. It's an 8.5-inch skillet that's not too big and not too small. This size is just right for many cooking scenarios. Imagine it as your go-to piece for whipping up quick meals. It can handle eggs in the morning or a tasty stir-fry for dinner. The black brushed nonstick surface is smooth, and food slides off it like a skater on ice. The handle of this T-fal Professional VX3 brushed nonstick fry pan is made of stainless steel. It feels strong and secure in your hand. Plus, it has a neat silicone sleeve. This sleeve makes it easy to grip, and it stays cool even when the pan gets hot. You can even pop this T-fal Professional VX3 brushed nonstick fry pan into the oven or broiler up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it versatile for different cooking settings. It's like having a pan that can do double duty. This skillet is more than just a pretty face. It's certified by NSF and CBA. These certifications mean it meets high standards for restaurant and business use. So, you know it's built to last. It's a reliable solution for everyday cooking. While it might not be a signature gift item, it's a practical piece for anyone who loves to cook. Even though COVID-19 changed many things, the need for good cookware remains. This pan is easy to clean, maybe even with just some wipes. It handles heat well, making it a dependable tool for us in the kitchen. Pros: nonstick, brushed finish, stainless handle, 8.5-inch size, oven safe, broiler safe, 400F. Limit: restaurant grade, NSF certified, CBA certified, black color, skillet type. Cons: hand wash only, not induction compatible, handle can get hot, takes up storage space, only one size included, could scratch easily, more costly than basic pans, silicone handle sleeve. Concern features: non-stick surface, brushed finish, steel handle, oven safe to 400F, broiler safe, restaurant grade, NSF certified, CBA certified, black color, 8.5-inch size. This is an 8.5-inch black T-fal frying pan with a non-stick surface and a brushed steel handle. It's safe to use in the oven and under the broiler up to 400 degrees. This pan is strong enough for restaurants and businesses and has earned NSF and CBA certifications. It's made for easy cooking and cleanup. This 8.5-inch T-fal Professional VX3 skillet has a non-stick surface with a brushed finish and a stainless steel handle. It's safe to use in the oven and under the broiler up to 400 degrees. This pan is strong enough for restaurant use and has certifications from NSF and CBA. It's black, not for induction cooktops, and needs to be washed by hand. The handle can get hot, and it takes up space to store. You only get one pan, and the nonstick might scratch. It costs more than basic pans, and some people might worry about the silicone part on the handle.